not sure what we got, guys and gals. Did I scare it away? No. I think it's one of the chicks. Walking around the tree, that's usually a sign of a chick. I put my glasses down, I gotta get outside. I just wanted to watch the chicks for a while and see if you want to watch. I'm gonna sneak back out there because she's down here. It's down here. Stay, Ted, and be good. Lay down. Ted was falling asleep, but he still insisted on coming. You see it? You see up in the woods? In the trees, I mean. I'm gonna sit here quietly, see if it comes back. Then I'll let you guys join. One of the ladies is coming down and I didn't even ask her to. She just spotted me and started coming flying around. They're all flying around. I'm not saying nothing, I'm just watching. Somebody's singing very quietly. It was right in between a triangle, if I can find it. I think there's a nest up there. Look at this. There's a bee trying to get me, guys and gals. I'll pause, but just watching the birds. Gonna come on once in a while, show you what I see, and then shut it off. See over there. Sorry about that. That's my son. He's texting me about something. I'll pause and shut him off, but there's a lady cardinal. What are you doing over there? Come over here to this pedestal. Come on. Gonna eat a little. Come on, little one. Come on. Come on over here. Come on. Come over here and see me. Just gonna grab one little. I'm not sure. I think they're dropping bombs too. Sometimes they do live ammo. This one's a little faster. Always something going on around here. There they are. I hope I'm getting some of this. The two crackle chicks, they're arguing with each other. Or it might have been another one. I know one was a crackle. Bowtail crackle. They're kind of black and brown. They're just going to turn. There's one there. What's that? It's going up the branch. Is that what is that? A woodpecker? Help me, guys and gals. I can't see it. It's a woodpecker, isn't it? It was fighting with the crackle, or it was running off another bird. It's so cool just to sit here and see this shit. That's a woodpecker. I'll shut up. It's getting that time of the year I can sit outside. We'll get more videos. I'm doing the camera follow. No, I almost lost it. Some fine camera work here. A bird flew up high, but I didn't go off to it. I want this thing to come close. I'm not knowing what kind of a woodpecker this is. I cannot get any closer, people. There's another bird up there. There might be two woodpeckers. Oh shit. I blinked and now I don't see it. Did it go somewhere, people? Help me, help me, help me. It did. I hope I didn't lose it. I didn't see it fly away, if you guys did or not. There it is, there it is. There it is. It's getting closer for us. Damn it, it flies fast. I can't follow it. try to follow them best I can. Just watching the woodpecker eat is all we're doing. Once I get them in the lens, I can do this. Ooh, that was a hard one. Be nice if he clicked. That's what he usually does. Well, I enjoying this. Oh, he's gonna get in that Spanish moss. We're not gonna see him. Bugs are in there. Chiggers and things like that. When the Spanish moss falls off a certain way and it dries out, the chiggers will get in there. That's what I read. Because I'm gonna pause because I don't know where he went. I gotta look over my eyes. He could have taken off on us. Let me back out here. Pause, and if I see him, I'll come right back. But that was a lot of fun. I enjoyed that. It's not muggy in Central. Oh, there he is. I think I'm pretty sure that's him. Come back again, guys and gals. Let me find him in. Oh, shit. He's so fast. Oh, no, he's got me looking into the sun now. Okay, I'm going to cut you out, guys. And I'll talk to you later if I don't know what I did to the woodpecker, but I scared him off or something. It was enjoyable to me. I don't get to see that stuff unless I come out here and sit under a tree like this. And I don't know if you have a tree, so I hope you enjoy it. Look at that one. Look how that one branch turns and goes back. That's insane. Look at that thing. That one branch is a tree. See, it got bent over sometime in its life, and now it turned over there. Holy shit. Trees amaze me. I love them. I climbing trees and sitting them all day when I was a kid. I'm out. He's right here, guys. Came back. He's just waiting for his close-up. Let me try to lighten the camera, see what I can do. When you see that snap, you know I got it. He's in these trees. He wants a close-up, I just have the feeling. Damn, I wish I'd have caught him when he was right there on the base of the tree. I'm zooming, God, I'm zooming in. Doing the best I can. Where is he? There he is. I got him back in my sights. So cool just watching him. I gotta get the close-up, dude. I can't see if he's got the red head, if he's our red-bellied woodpecker, if he's something different. I can't see him. You might have heard him half blind. So I'll go inside and be able to put it on my big screen TV. Whoa, we need him down there on that base. Where did he go? We need him on the base of the tree. Give us a better shot. Sneak it in, sneak it in. Now I can't see him. Oh, there he is. Look, guys. I'm getting a lot closer. I don't know where he is now. Did I have him when he took off? I think I did. Guys, I'm trying my best. My eyesight is like 3.5 or something like that. When you're new here, go through the playlist. Watch, watch, watch. You'll learn stuff. You'll see stuff you never knew. Cool, I love them. All right, I'm out this time, swear to gosh. Going in. Unless a squirrel comes. Wanted to feed a couple today. I had fun with Earl this morning. That was it. I get time, I'll post it. Had a lot of fun with Earl. I ain't got him peanut yet, but he's sure a lot of fun. Catch ya.